I know that life has been unkind to you, and the weight of your pain feels unbearable. In the depths of despair, it may seem like the darkness will never lift, and hope has abandoned you. But I am here to remind you that you are not alone, and your life has a purpose, even if you cannot see it now. I want you to know that your feelings are valid, and it is okay to feel lost and broken. Life can be a storm of challenges, and sometimes the waves of sorrow threaten to drown us. But remember, storms pass and the sun will rise again. You are a warrior, a survivor of every battle life has thrown your way. Your strength lies not only in the moments of joy, but also in the moments when hope seems elusive. You have endured the darkest of nights, and that alone is a testament to your resilience. In the depths of despair, it is easy to believe that there is no purpose to your pain. But remember, the most exquisite flowers often bloom from the hardest soil. Your struggles, though painful, can be the fertile ground for growth, wisdom, and compassion.
I know it feels like your world is crumbling, but please hold on. There is a web of connections that bind us all, and your presence in this world matters. You are a part of something much larger than yourself, and the tapestry of life would be incomplete without your unique thread. The pain you carry is heavy, and it is okay to reach out for help. You do not have to bear this burden alone. There are people who care, who want to listen, and who are ready to stand beside you on this journey. Please allow yourself the grace to lean on others, to share your heartache, and to let the warmth of love seep into the cracks of your broken heart. In moments of despair, it may be hard to see a glimmer of light, but remember, the stars shine brightest in the darkest nights. You have the power to rise from the depths and create a new narrative for your life. Your story is not over, and the pages ahead hold the potential for transformation and healing. Hold on to the memories of moments that brought a smile to your face, no matter how fleeting. Those moments are whispers of the joy that can still find its way back to you. Embrace the pain as a teacher, guiding you towards growth and a deeper understanding of yourself.
I want you to know that you are loved, even if it feels like the world has turned its back on you. Your existence has touched lives in ways you may never know, and there are people who care deeply about you. Take it one breath at a time, one step at a time. Each moment survived is a victory. Reach out to the lifelines around you, for there are people ready to hold your hand and walk alongside you through the darkest valleys. Please remember that you are worth fighting for, and your life has the potential for extraordinary beauty and meaning. Let the pain be a catalyst for growth, and let the darkness be a canvas for the light that still resides within you. Hold on, dear soul. This journey is challenging, but there is hope beyond the horizon. You are not alone, and there are countless hearts waiting to welcome you with open arms. Your story is still unfolding, and I believe in the strength that resides within you.